So how to install MyDyson app? So here is the app, and it's super handy to use with Dyson devices, specifically vacuum cleaners. Re-engineered with additional features and content for hair care machines and cordless vacuums. So this is not only for vacuums. This is basically for all devices, as I can see, kind of like Internet of Things idea, and the ideal companion to get the best from any machine, tailor your experience on the palm of your hand. Um, you can enjoy a tailored hair care style guides or floor care how-to videos, easily shop for attachments, connect with the community, discuss the engineering and science. Um, by connecting your Dyson robot vacuum, you can control, activate or pause your robot, schedule and track cleans, switch between max and quiet modes, explore where your robot cleaned with activity maps, create zones in your home and control how each is cleaned. So yeah, pretty cool. You can just open it up and then you see the app. Then if you can just log in, or you can select new owner, select your region, accept terms and conditions, and then from here you just need to proceed with registration.